Hello everyone. So this is my Medium blog or whatever it's called. This is my Hashnode blog, and this is my Dev.to, and this is how my actual dashboard looks like. So I have here 18 articles, and there is this as the latest article. So let's go to the code. So we have this file here, a markdown file, and this is the file. I did export it as is from a Notion file that I was writing, like it was a note. So this is the file, and this is the title of this file, which will be the title of the article we are going to create, right? So I just did mention the name here, and this is going to publish the article to the Dev.to. This is going to publish it to Medium, and this is going to publish it to Hashnode. And we will create images on the fly on each of their folders. So let's run this. Go run main.go. Okay, we have a bunch of stuff. It's not a big deal. Okay, we can see here this one did publish the article, and this is the image, the corresponding image with the perfect size image. Hashnode has two files. One of them is an OG file, for better SEO, this one, and there is this one, the main one, right? And we have this one for Medium. It's also, the perfect size or whatever for a Medium post. Let's just close them and head back to the blogs. Let me refresh. You see here the article. It's just now, right? This is the entire article. When we go here, I refresh, it's going to show 19. And here, let's refresh again. Okay, here is the article. Okay, this is the entire article. When we go here, we refresh, this is the article. Let's refresh, this is the article. I just literally published the article. Did you? Oh no, no, sorry. It's not about what happened today. So okay, it's on a draft. Okay, I did yeah, it's on a draft. I can just publish it right now, but this is the article. So I just did publish all of them from one command, and I'm able to generate this beautiful cover for each of them. For now they have same color and everything, but they have each of them has its own size, and the article will always look like this one. It depends on the size and the fonts and things like that. So I can customize that however I would like to. I can add more like logos or anything like that, but this is the basic idea. I hope you like it. Please let me know what kind of features you would like to add to this. What do you feel about it? Like, I would like to know what's your opinions. Thank you so much, and hope to see you soon.